question number 68. Yeah. So this is also a very nice question number 68. And this is basically from statistics. Statistics also carry a huge margin, right? Statistics also carry a huge margin. So before we move, we will see some of the briefings. Quite a detailed things have been given here, but let's talk about them, and specifically with yes. So question number 68. So question number 68 says what? Question number 68 says what? It says consider the following statement pertaining to the sampling theory. जो आप sampling करते हैं, जैसे random sampling है, non-random sampling है. Random sampling is also called as probabilistic sampling, right? And there we have different type of things. तो उसके respect में हमें यहाँ पे statements देखनी है, right? The first statement, if we see the statement A, the standard deviation of the sampling distribution. The standard deviation of the sampling distribution of a statistics is known as standard error. Absolutely true, right? अगर हम किसी sampling distribution का standard deviation बोलेंगे तो basically standard deviation नहीं कहलाता है, वो कहलाता है standard error, and which could be written simply by sigma by root n. You know that standard error, right? So this is the first statement, and this is absolutely true. Second statement, what they are saying. Second statement, what they are saying, it is saying that the precision of the sample estimate of some of the population parameter is the reciprocal of the standard error of the sampling distribution of the estimate, right? So if you see the precision, precision means what? How precise you can measure something, how close to the actual value. तो sample estimate अगर हम लिखेंगे किसी population का, ठीक है, that would be if the population is very large. इसका यहाँ पे reciprocal कहने का मतलब क्या है कि if the sample error is if the sample is very the population is very large, and you talk about the precision of the sample estimate, so that will be more accurate. That's why we say we should have a large sample size or large population in order to have the more accuracy, right? So that's why second statement is also correct. So second statement is also correct. It is also true. Now let's come to the third and fourth statement, right? Come to the third. When you see third statement, yeah, A type 1 error, right? A type 1 error in hypothesis testing occur when we accept a wrong null hypothesis. This is not correct, right? It is vice versa. Okay, when we accept the wrong, then there will be a type 2. So this is absolutely wrong. I will be talking about these briefings below. And then the same statement, type 2 error hypothesis testing occur when we reject the null hypothesis. This is vice versa. नीचे वाले में type 1 होगा, ऊपर वाले में type 2 होगा. So only two statements are correct. So the correct option is 1. Now I will be dealing about the briefings of this. So question number 68, the correct option is 1, A and B. मैं अभी इसके बारे में बात करूंगा जो ब्रीफिंग्स हमने करी है, स्पेशली एरर्स की. So process of sampling, all of you know that, identify the population size, determine the size, etc. Right? So basically जो sample है, that is a subset of population. You can see here. Then we have sampling frame, method of sampling. Then I told you that we have different methods, right? Simple random sampling, systematic sampling, stratified, right? And sequential. Then random sampling, you can see the probabilistic sampling. So all the things, systematic, stratified. Then we have to talk about errors. So you can see here what they written it wrongly. So in statistics, significant results cannot prove the research hypothesis correct. And this implies 100% certainty. Because a p-value is based on probabilities, there is always a chance of making an incorrect conclusion regarding the accepting or rejecting the null hypothesis. Anytime we make a decision using statistics, there are four possible outcomes with two representing correct decision and two representing errors. So you can see here, this chart will make your brain clear. This chart will make your brain very much clear. So third statement was saying type 1 error. Type 1 error in hypothesis testing occur when we accept a wrong null hypothesis. No. ठीक है, ये कब होता है? ये टाइप 2 के केस में होता है. इफ यू सी हियर, टाइप 1 के केस में क्या होता है? व्हेन वी रिजेक्ट अ ट्रू नल हाइपोथेसिस. ठीक है ना? तो ट्रू नल हाइपोथेसिस को अगर रिजेक्ट करेंगे तो वो टाइप 1 है. ठीक है, which was written in the statement in type 2. and type 2 में क्या है? accept a false null hypothesis. type 2 में आपका होता है accept a wrong or a false null hypothesis. So both the statement were interchanged there in the objectives. So that's why third and fourth statement got wrong, because type 1 में आप जो reject करते हैं वो true null hypothesis को reject करते हैं, but question में ऐसा नहीं लिखा हुआ. question में लिखा हुआ है wrong null hypothesis, और type 2 में उल्टा होता है. ठीक है. So I hope this is clear now, and the correct answer, as I told you, the correct answer for this question is first, as I mentioned, because only the two statements which are given above were correct. So the correct choice for this question is first, only A and B. क्योंकि यहाँ पे स्टेटमेंट जो है चेंज हो गया है. जो टाइप 1 वाला स्टेटमेंट लिखा हुआ है वो टाइप 2 के लिए है, जो टाइप 2 वाला लिखा हुआ है टाइप 1 के लिए. राइट, both of them are basically being exchanged. ये टाइप 2 का स्टेटमेंट है रॉन्ग नल हाइपोथेसिस वाला, और ये टाइप 1 का स्टेटमेंट है रिजेक्टेड ट्रू नल हाइपोथेसिस. सो दैट्स व्हाई बोथ देम बिकम करेक्ट इनकरेक्ट. क्लियर है सबको? कोई डाउट तो नहीं किसी को इसमें? हाउ वी रीच टू 1? क्लियर है? एनीवन हैविंग एनी डाउट? क्वेश्चन नंबर 68, जल्दी से, क्विक एंड फास्ट.